Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is export video. In this video we will learn that how we can export our video in Camtasia Studio. I have a video on my timeline. So first go over here and click on produce and share. The shortcut is Ctrl+P. In this drop down menu you can see that we have various export settings. So the first is share to screencast.com, share to Vimeo, share to Google Drive, share to YouTube, share to my places. Where you want to share, select from here. So select it from here, 720p. Here you can see the dimensions. Then click on next. Now type the name of file. And select where you want to save this file. Then click on finish. Here you can see that we are rendering our video. So now you can see our rendering video is completed and you can see your video. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.